features of anterior uveitis, I think which triad is seen in, that is there in the acute congestive glaucoma. ये नहीं है. And finally, this is one question that, I says to everyone ki squint mein you should know the actions of superior oblique, and I even, in the class I have given you the example in the form of superior oblique only, when I have taught you that how to find out what is the actually method of finding out the action of a particular muscle. Then also I taught you about the superior oblique. So we have taught you about the actions of the superior oblique. Let's revise it. Easy tha ye. Superior oblique. Now what is your step number 1? Whenever you have to look for the actions, you have to see whether it's a oblique or it's a rectus. ठीक है ना? So if it's a oblique, then you have to go either for the intorsion or the extorsion as the primary action. If it is a rectus, then either the elevation or the depression. Now because mine is the oblique, so you have to go for this. Then look for the step 2. Step 2 says that superiors are intorters. So intorsion therefore will become my primary action. ठीक है? Then step number 3. Step number 3 says that O for oblique and O for opposite. O for oblique and O for opposite. So superior oblique will cause depression. Superior oblique will cause depression. This will become the secondary action. So you don't have to cram it actually. While the step number 4. Step number 4, the tertiary action के लिए you have to remember the RAD. Recti are reductors. Because recti are reductors, so this is oblique, therefore it will cause abduction. So the tertiary action of this muscle will be abduction. So very conveniently, without any hustle bustle, without any notification, you can find out the actions of superior oblique. We have intorsion, we have depression, and we have abduction. है ना? So this is being taught here also. O for oblique, O for opposite, RAD, therefore here you will have abduction, and therefore look at the correct one: intorsion, depression and abduction. Any other question that you think came in ophthalmology? Any other change that you would like to do? No, punched out lesions will not be seen in coloboma. I don't think that is a very good example of punched out lesions, and I do not know whether coloboma was there in the options, but you people are saying that this was there. So it depends. अगर एपिथेलियोपैथी था, ट्यूबरस स्क्लेरोसिस था, टॉक्सोप्लाज्मोसिस था, तो नॉट सीन हो सकता है. नॉट सीन में देन पोस्टीरियर स्टेफाइलोमा. See, posterior stephyloma will also not give you the punched out lesion, and the rubella will also not give you the punched out lesion. That gives you the salt and pepper retinitis, right? Coloboma does not give you the punched out lesions, but agar rubella bhi tha, to I think the better answer is rubella, because salt and pepper retinitis hota hai, so it is far away from the punched out lesion. Coloboma mein fir bhi we get a circular one. And posterior staphyloma is again an answer, because posterior staphyloma mein bhi we do not get the punched out lesion. So I think there is some gadbad in the options. Maybe they have given by mistake. Not a problem. You know the right thing na, so be prepared for the right options next time. Okay. So I think we have done all the questions. Tell me if any question more was there, because this is the maximum that I could extract from you people according to your memory. And as far as I see, I think we are having the right questions with the right language and the right options, most of them. And we have done with all the questions. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope if final answer will be rubella here. I think we have done with all the questions, and please keep notifying if you find any other question. Agar memory mein you get any other question of ophthalmology or any other change you would like to do, then definitely tell me. I am waiting for your feedback, and keep studying. Okay, guys, no matter what you did, everything was there, but you have a bigger paper now, so don't focus there. कि ये गलत हो गया और वो हो गया, you have got a better chance, and I think you are lucky enough that you got to know your mistakes, you got to know your weaknesses, and you can improve on. So those people who have some problems and do not get to know actually have real trouble in the exam. So I think you are lucky enough, you got to know what were your weaknesses. Please now start working on them. Okay, whatever were your mistakes, whatever happened, let it go. Now pull your socks and work on your weaknesses, whatever was there, so that you do not commit the same mistakes, you do not repeat your mistakes, and you come up all with your flying colors in your neat paper. So thank you and happy ophthalmology.